Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to see Google Maps HTML embedded link that you can use to copy and add Google Maps to your website. And let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Chrome browser and then log into the particular Gmail account that you need the embedded link from. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on Google Apps. Then you want to make sure that you navigate to maps right here. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you to Google Maps. How do you see your embedded Google Map links to share on your web or any site as the case may be? What you want to do here is to come to the top right here. Click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on share or embedded map. And this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on embedded map. Then you have your HTML code right here. What you need to do is to simply click on copy. So once you copy to clipboard, then you can paste the HTML Google map in anywhere on your web page. And in a few seconds, the Google map is going to be embedded to your site. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.